Hey there, farmers and farmerettes. I'm Farmer Red, and today I'm super duper excited. Today we're at the Clearwater Express Wash, and we have the Mama-Mobile here, and the Mama-Mobile is super duper dirty because we just got back from a beach trip. So we're gonna run it through this awesome car wash, get it all nice and clean, and then we're gonna move on to the really hard part, which is clean out the inside. Hey, you guys ready? Come on, let's get after it. All right, friends, now that we got the outside of the Mama-Mobile clean, it's time to move on to the really hard work, which is cleaning the inside. Hey, you guys ready to get after it with me? All right, let's see what my kids left in here. All right. Oh, look. I found a chicken McNugget box from McDonald's. Check it out. Oh, look, it even has chicken nuggets in here. Oh, these are probably, oh, I remember these. Yeah, these are a couple weeks old, but actually, these are probably still good. Oh, we'll save these for later. What else do we have over here? Check it out. Look. It is a paper airplane. How cool is that? Look, I found it underneath the seat. You know what color this is? This is a pink paper airplane, and it's really slick and really kind of stealthy. I wonder if it's a military model. Well, we'll go ahead and put this one back in its hangar for later. How neat is that? Oh, look, it's a wallet. Wow, whoever owns this wallet looks exactly like me. Oh, and they even have the same name as me. Imagine that. Well, they're gonna be so happy when I contact them and let them know that I found their wallet. Imagine somebody that looks just like me with the same name and they lost their wallet in my car. Huh, imagine that. What else do we have here? Oh, look, it's one of my kids' art projects from school. How awesome is that? It's like a beach in a bottle. You see it has beans and beads and sand and all kinds of really cool stuff. How awesome is that? Art project, sweet. Oh look, it's a sippy cup. Who knows how long this has been there? This one's probably about a week old. I think I remember this one. Yeah, we'll have to take that home and clean it. Oh look, another awesome art project. This one's from my daughter. It has glitter all over it, and you can see all the pasta and everything. How awesome is that? That's a really cool. I'll have to give that one back to her. I think she forgot about it. Hey guys, check it out. Look what I found. It is a baby swan. How awesome is that? I found it in my son's car seat. It is a yellow baby swan. Check this out, look. I found the mom. How awesome is that? Look, it's a white mama swan with a yellow baby swan. How cool is that? Hey, on the way home, there's a pond. So we're gonna go ahead and drop them off and set them free in the pond on the way home. How cool is that? All right, we will put them aside for now. Oh, what do we have under here? Look, it is a giant rectangle. So a rectangle is a four-sided shape, but it has two sides that are longer than the other two sides. And that is what makes it different from a square. Hey, do you guys know what color this is? This is the color yellow. And what about this number? You guys already know it. I know, you guys are so smart. That is the number 5. So we have a yellow rectangle with the number 5 in it. How awesome is that? Let's see what else we got over here. Oh look at this. This is what you call a trapezoid. Now this is a really cool four-sided shape. As you can see, the bottom side is really long and the top side is shorter, and the sides on each side are about the same length, or they are the same length. And this is what you call the color orange, and that is, you guys guessed it, right? The number 4. So we have an orange trapezoid with the number 4 on it. How awesome is that? Let's see what else we got over here. Look at this. Look, just like we talked about earlier. Now this is a square. It is a four-sided shape, and all sides are the exact same length. And this is the color purple with the number 3 on it. How awesome is that? A purple square with the number 3. Neato mosquito. What else do we have over here? Check this out. How awesome is that? You guys know what that is? That is a triangle. And a triangle is a three-sided shape. You guys know what color that is? You got it. That is the color green. And how about that number? It's the number 2. You guys are so smart. All right, cool. Green triangle number 2. Awesome. Hey guys, check this out. This is what you call a red circle. How awesome is that? You guys know what number that is? Of course you do. It's the very first number. It's a number 1. Now, unlike all the other shapes that we found, this shape has no sides because it's a circle. How awesome is that? Red circle with a number 1. Neato mosquito. Oh, check it out. Check it out. Look, it's animal crackers. I'm kind of hungry. In fact, I haven't had much to eat this morning. Oh yeah, those are fresh. Probably only been there maybe 2 or 3 days. I can tell. Yeah, these are still good. Go ahead and take care of those. Oh, what else we got here? Look, look. It's a plane full of sand because we just got back from the beach. How cool is that? All right, guys, last but not least, it is time to vacuum. Vacuum. Wow, that's a really big word. Why don't we ask our good friend, the word wizard, what vacuum means? Hi, word wizard. Hey, are you up there? Hey, good morning, buddy. Hey, I have a quick question for you. What does the word vacuum mean? Okay, cool. Thanks, buddy. Have a good one. All right, so the word vacuum just means to pick something up or to suck it up. And that's what vacuum cleaners do. They pick up stuff and suck it up. So we're about to use the really nifty vacuum that they have here at the car wash. And we're gonna suck some stuff up. You guys ready? Let's have some fun. All right, guys, so we have our vacuum right here. Wow. Really sucks hard. Oh, that's actually a pretty good way to clean. All right, get after the car. Oh yeah, let's get this one. Oh, the animal crackers. All right, oh. Look, there's another one. Oh yeah, it's still fresh. Let's suck that cup open. Whoa. There's a lot of cracker crumbs in there. All right, so there's one. Get the headrest. All right, do that. Oh, I was trying to get my shape. All right, whoa. Suck up the wrapper. Hey. Hold on. You. Behave. Oh. Stop. Behave. All right. Hold on. All right, we got to get under control. Kind of a wild bag. Got a wild vacuum here. Hey, get my shape back. Oh no. You got the number 3. I got my purple square. Hey, calm down. Oh, leave the swan alone. Hey, what did the swan ever do to you? Please. No swans were hurt in the filming of this show. I got that. Got that. Suck this one up. Bob. Hey, give me the snack bag back. Don't hurt the animal crackers. All right, folks. That's enough for today. This is getting a little bit out of hand. This vacuum is really crazy. Hey, all right, guys. Well, we got to run. But hey, if you want to join me on another cool, awesome adventures in the future, you want to hit that subscribe and like button at the bottom of the screen. Hey, till next time. You have a good out there. We'll catch y'all later. All right, bye.